third generation of the Audi Q7 sets the benchmark in spaciousness, driving dynamics, comfort, and technology. It proves a versatile companion, equally at home in a packed business schedule, on relaxed weekend getaways, or on long road trips. The same applies to the unmistakable exterior design with its powerful silhouette and expressive digital lighting technology. Available with 5, 6, or 7 seats, the Q7 delivers maximum versatility and everyday usability. Passengers will delight in its spacious interior, including an illuminated panoramic sunroof with switchable transparency. Power comes from a 3.0-liter V6 diesel engine, producing either 299 horsepower or 245 horsepower with mild hybrid plus technology. The Mercedes GLE has been thoroughly enhanced with upgrades to design, comfort, and technology, and is now more powerful, intuitive, and confident than ever. The new GLE embodies a modern interpretation of Mercedes DNA, combining strength, precision, and a timeless sense of home. With a total of around 3,000 new or revised components, the new GLE presents itself comprehensively modernized. The third-generation Audi Q7 retains its muscular design. Audi's trademark 4 rings, along with the hood, sit noticeably higher, making the SUV's front end appear larger. Confidence and sportiness define the striking front with its large single frame, stylishly contrasted by redesigned, functional air intakes. The new Q7 gains additional width through muscular emphasis on the wheel arches. The digital daytime running lights and the digital matrix LED headlights below increase visibility and, together with the optionally illuminated single frame, make the vehicle uniquely recognizable. The new Q7 exterior makes a further statement with its upswept shoulder line, giving the sporty all-rounder a commanding silhouette. Signature Audi Quattro blisters emerge from the shoulder, tapering into a distinctive D-pillar at the rear. The D-pillar is now more upright overall, resulting in a nearly horizontal roofline and offering more headroom and space inside. The Audi Q7 is offered in different versions depending on the market. The Premium Advanced line comes standard. The S-Line is available as a sporty exterior option. The optional third-generation digital OLED rear lights and a continuous light strip stand out day and night. The light strip visually divides the rear section and spans the full width of the vehicle. In combination with the tailgate, it lends the Q7 a sporty elegance. The raised bumper with an integrated diffuser and distinctive, matching tailpipes complete the picture. For the first time, optional automatic doors offer increased comfort when entering and exiting the vehicle. Extensive surround sensors protect against collisions. An obstacle detection system stops the door if it cannot be opened fully. An electric soft-close mechanism ensures the doors shut gently. The power doors can be conveniently opened and closed from multiple control points and remotely via the My Audi app. The new GLE fits harmoniously into the current Mercedes-Benz design language while retaining the character of the popular off-roader. The new front bumper gives the vehicle a more enhanced visual presence on the road. Inside the redesigned headlights, 2 horizontally arranged star motifs and a distinctive visor create a striking new light signature. When the digital light headlamps are activated, refined blue ambient lighting appears beneath the stars, adding an exclusive, high-quality detail. The black panel seamlessly unites the headlamps and larger radiator grille into one harmonious unit. At the center, the iconic star is set within a bold, optionally illuminated chrome frame and is surrounded by the unmistakable Mercedes-Benz pattern. The side air intake grilles are further enhanced by a subtle Mercedes-Benz pattern. Additional highlights include the new generation exterior mirrors with a high-gloss black mirror base and a matching connection to the body. The large area underride guard emphasizes the GLE's SUV strength and capability. Both rear light clusters feature a pair of 3-dimensional star emblems framed in chrome for increased recognition. A design trim in the tailgate visually combines the lights into a single element and emphasizes the width of the GLE. 3 new 20-inch alloy wheel designs that further enhance the vehicle's presence. In the new Q7, Audi is fully committed to pioneering lighting technology. This increases road safety and enables a wide range of lighting functions. Digital matrix LED headlights with micro-LED technology ensure visibility and safety in the dark. The lighting technology in the new Q7 also actively supports drivers on the road. The digital matrix LED headlights, light guidance functions known as the lane light and orientation light, are now even more closely integrated with the assistance systems. The Q7 displays supporting information from the assistance systems directly in the driver's field of view, significantly improving road safety. Both front and rear turn signals are an essential piece of lighting equipment. To augment the dynamic turn signals, Audi is introducing a world-first innovation that joins the digital OLED rear lights and the digital matrix LED headlights in making the roads much safer for pedestrians and cyclists in particular. At night, the advanced turn signal is projected onto the ground in sync with the dynamic signals at the front and rear. It is activated automatically when the low beams are on and the turn signal or the hazard lights are activated. The rear of the Q7 is also designed with visibility and safety in mind. With its third-generation digital OLED rear lights, the Q7 not only offers much more scope for personalization than the first generation, but also alerts other road users to accidents and breakdowns ahead. In critical driving or traffic situations, the digital OLED panels display a special static signature with warning symbols instead of the regular rear light graphics. The projection light in the doors is a new feature that helps to set the scene. With an LED module in the door sills, it projects a solid white rhombus onto the ground beneath the driver's and front passengers' doors and a dashed rhombus beneath the rear doors. The rhombus unfurls when the doors are opened, welcoming the passengers and lighting the path to the vehicle. Combining this feature with the exit warning adds another dimension. If cyclists or cars approach when a passenger is about to exit the Q7, the car projects the rhombus onto the ground next to the door. The new GLE offers the latest digital light generation with micropixelated LED technology and a powerful chip as an option. The high-resolution lighting field is thus increased by around 40%, enabling increased brightness for the high beam and for road projections. The dynamic high beam ultra range, with a range of up to 600 meters, which is the equivalent to around 6 football pitches, can now swivel for optimal illumination. The partial high beam function enhances the detection of poorly lit road users without dazzling others. The interior design continues the geometric integration of the dashboard and doors, underscoring a commitment to precision. Clean lines and clearly defined surfaces create order and focus. Details like the air vents deliberately recede into the background, but their electrically adjustable, dynamic control via the user interface makes them a practical highlight. The cabin appeals with its clean design and offers space for every occasion. Fully focused on its passengers, the Q7 combines these attributes down to the last detail. For the first time, the Q7 is available in 3 seating variants. 5 seats come standard, with 6 or 7 seats available as an option. The second row seats are power adjustable fore and aft, while the seat backs fold in a 65-35 split or tilt forward without folding flat. Comfort entry can be activated via the MMI or buttons in the C-pillar and the trunk. In the 5-seater, the trunk offers up to 806 liters of volume, or up to 2075 liters with the back seats folded down. In the 7-seater, the luggage compartment offers up to 722 liters of volume, or up to 1980 liters. Depending on the seat configuration, Audi optionally offers ventilation and massage functions in the front seats. In the optional Sport Seats Plus, lights below the headrests further underline the quality of the seating in the Q7. They light up when the car is locked or unlocked and are clearly visible from outside. The front doors are optionally illuminated by a light source integrated into the trim. The contour lighting in the dashboard and doors accentuates the width of the interior. Indirect lighting beneath the Audi MMI panoramic display and in the center console creates a floating effect. In addition, the standard dynamic interaction light is an LED light strip that spans the full width of the dashboard and supports interaction between occupants and the vehicle. With a wide range of color and material combinations to choose from for the Q7, customers have plenty of options for personalization. New inlay options include fine-grain ash natural, silk beige, lime structure natural, gray-brown, and carbon fiber weave with basalt gray accents. The steering wheel also adds a fresh touch with a standard upgrade of the airbag cover in leather and color-matched contrast stitching. The architecture is completed by the standard passenger display and the newly designed electrically adjustable air vents. The new center console is just as rich in features as the rest of the cabin. A slim, black accented strip consolidates the most important controls. Underneath, there are Qi 2.2 charging points at 25 watts each to charge 2 smartphones. Targeted airflow dissipates the heat generated, ensuring optimum charging speeds. Compatible phones are also magnetically secured to prevent slippage. Alternatively, the front seat backrest covers offer wired, USB-C fast charging, with an output of up to 60 watts in the second row and 100 watts in the third row. Cup holders directly in front of the armrest accommodate larger bottles or flasks. The tailgate is electrically powered as standard and can be triggered by a foot gesture. For added convenience, a light projected below the rear bumper indicates the necessary foot position. An optional aluminum rail system integrated into the sides of the trunk allows cargo to be secured with sliding adapters and adjustable anchors, and the cargo net to be positioned horizontally or vertically for maximum flexibility. This setup makes it easy to stow smaller items and frees up space on the trunk floor for larger objects. When the third row of seats is in use, the luggage compartment cover can be stowed under the cargo floor to save space. In the third-generation Q7, Audi has placed special emphasis on the large panoramic sunroof. The impressive light flooding into the cabin enhances the airy sense of space across all 3 rows and boosts passenger well-being. The newly developed mechanism allows a slimmer roof structure, providing more headroom in both the front and rear. Optional features include switchable transparency and, for the first time, illumination of the glass roof whose color adapts to the personalized ambient lighting. The roof can be switched from transparent to opaque in 9 segments. A pattern in the glass panels, combined with 78 LEDs, provides for pleasant lighting in the vehicle interior. The adjustable transparency allows for a quick transition, zone by zone, between a light-filled interior and effective glare protection. An integrated wind deflector reduces wind noise when the roof is open. The panoramic sunroof is operated via a button in the roof module or via the MMI. New trim elements and additional comfort features significantly enhance the interior of the GLE. The outer air vents for the first row of seats are now oval instead of square, seamlessly integrated into the ambient lighting and framing the impressive MBUX superscreen on both sides. A range of atmospheric ambient styles is available via a dedicated app, transforming the MBUX superscreen into a living canvas of light, color, and emotion. These high-resolution background motifs dramatically enhance the unique visual impact of the superscreen and are the result of meticulous craftsmanship by Mercedes-Benz UI designers. Comfort seats with a new 3D design and elegant moccasin stitching combine modern aesthetics with an enriching seating experience. Mercedes-Benz has streamlined its product range based on customer feedback. The standard comfort seats now include electric adjustment of the seat cushion depth and the headrests, as well as the steering wheel. As an alternative to the comfort seats, a sport seat package is available for the AMG line. The standard MBUX superscreen brings the digital world into the GLE. 3 12.3-inch displays are located under a large glass surface. The MBUX Zero layer displays the most important information and recommendations in the configurable footer bar. For anyone who appreciates a spatial display, the 3D driver display is available as an option. At the touch of a button, it switches into 3D mode. For front passengers, the standard display enables them to view dynamic content while the vehicle is in motion. For the first time in the GLE, a head-up display with augmented reality content is available as an option. It displays relevant information and actions in 3 dimensions in the real driving situation and environment. The display area has a diagonal measurement of 18 inches, and a virtual color image appears to float in the field of vision at a distance of approximately 3 meters. All GLE models now come as standard with a panoramic sliding sunroof. With over 1 square meter of glazing area, It ranks among the largest of its kind in a production SUV, featuring glass panels that span the full width and length of the roof. One section can be raised electrically and slides generously over the fixed rear glass panel. The glass roof offers a clear view of the sky from every seat, including the optional third row. For effective thermal insulation, it is made entirely of tinted, single-pane safety glass. And when the sun becomes too intense, the roof can be shaded along its full length with an electrically adjustable roller blind. The generous space can be easily adapted to any requirement. A fully electrically adjustable second row of seats is available on request. The right and left seats, split 60-40, can be adjusted separately by up to 100 millimeters in length and folded down in a 40-20-40 ratio. The backrests can be adjusted by 18 degrees, offering a choice between a cargo position for maximum luggage space, the optimum torso inclination depending on body size and personal preference, or a relaxed sleeping position for children in child seats. The settings are operated via the switch in the door trim. The rear seat backrest can also be folded down completely electrically, using a separate switch panel in the luggage compartment. Access to the optional third row of seats is provided by an electric easy entry function, which opens up the passage to the rear at the touch of a button. The luggage compartment volume ranges from 630 liters behind the rear seats, up to 825 liters with adjustable rear seats, to 2055 liters with the second row folded flat. To mark the launch of the new Q7, Audi is offering a powerful and highly efficient 3-liter V6 diesel engine in two power levels, 220 kilowatts or 299 horsepower with 630 newton-meters and 180 kilowatts or 245 horsepower with 500 newton-meters of torque. The powertrain combines mild hybrid plus technology with an electric-powered compressor, delivering powerful starts while maintaining high efficiency. The new Q7 delivers outstanding ride comfort and handles any terrain with ease, a striking embodiment of Audi DNA. The optional adaptive air suspension plays a key role here. Paired with all-wheel steering, which significantly improves maneuverability at low speeds, it noticeably increases precision and stability at high speeds. With the introduction of a new engine range, the new GLE models convey a more dynamic and nimble driving experience. Numerous technical innovations enhance agility from the outset, while delivering impressive pulling power even on country roads. At the same time, the engines are already designed to meet future emission standards and provide the brand's hallmark high level of acoustic and vibration comfort. The top-of-the-range V8 model, the GLE 5804-matic, is now noticeably more responsive in the important partial load range. Its rated power has increased from 517 to 537 horsepower. Maximum torque of 750 newton-meters is available across a wide rev range from 2,500 to 4,500 revolutions per minute. The V8 responds more quickly, operates more efficiently, and delivers power more smoothly than before. The latest evolution of Airmatic delivers an almost gliding ride with intelligent damping control, providing noticeably greater comfort over longer artificial speed bumps. E-Active Body Control works in conjunction with Airmatic to increase the range between driving dynamics and driving comfort. Because this active suspension can control the spring and damper forces on each wheel individually, it counteracts not only roll, but also pitch and lift movements.